Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how you can get Last Goddess promo code. It's very easy thing to do. For this, first open your browser, then search for Last Goddess promo code. Here you will see various options for Last Goddess promo codes. Select this one. Now here you will get many codes from here. Also you will get more codes from here. Just choose your preferred code, select this one and copy it, and using it during the checkout process. Now and that's it. That's how you can get a Last Goddess promo code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.